Yes, be ready. 3, 2, 1, start. Ultimately, to strike a balance, the legislature applied its mind and reintroduced Rule 14 by Act the 22 of 2002 Stoke. It had a provision permitting amendment in the first part, which said that the court may at any stage permit amendment as described therein Stoke. But it also had a total bar introduced by a proviso which prevented any application for amendment to be allowed after the trial had commenced unless the court came to the conclusion that in spite of due diligence the party could not have raised the matter before the commencement of the trial Stoke. It is the proviso which falls for consideration Stoke. It is to be noted that the provisions of Order 6, Rule 17 CPC have been substantially amended by the CPC Amendment Act 2002 Stoke. Para. Under the proviso, no application for amendment shall be allowed after the trial has commenced unless, in spite of due diligence, the matter could not be raised before the commencement of trial Stoke. It is submitted that after the trial of the case has commenced, no application of pleading shall be allowed unless the above requirement is satisfied Stoke. The amendment of Order 6 Rule 17 was due to the recommendation of the Law Commission since Order 17 as it existed prior to the amendment was invoked by parties interested in delaying the trial Stoke. That to shorten the litigation and speed up disposal of suits, amendment was made by the Amending Act 1999 deleting Rule 17 from the Code Stoke. This evoked much controversy oblique hesitation all over the country and also leading to boycott of courts, and therefore by the Civil Procedure Code Amendment Act 2002 provision has been restored by recognizing the power of the court to grant amendment, however with certain limitation which is contained in the new proviso added to the rule Stoke. The details furnished below will go to show as to how the facts of the present case show that the matters which are sought to be raised by way of amendment by the appellants were well within their knowledge on their court case and manifests the absence of due diligence on the part of the appellant disentitling them to relief Stoke. The court's jurisdiction to allow such an application is taken away unless the condition precedent therefore are satisfied, viz. It must come to a conclusion that in spite of due diligence the parties could not have raised the matter before the commencement of the trial Stoke. It is the primal duty of the court to decide as to whether such an amendment is necessary to decide the real dispute between the parties Stoke. Only if such a condition is fulfilled the amendment is to be allowed Stoke. However, proviso appended to Order 6 Rule 17 of the Code restricts the power of the court Stoke. It puts an embargo on exercise of its jurisdiction Stoke. The court's jurisdiction in a case of this nature is limited Stoke. Thus, unless the jurisdictional fact as envisaged therein is found to be existing, the court will have no jurisdiction at all to allow the amendment of the plain stock over.